Don't shake your body again. This is why I need to work out. Oh my God. I'm out of breath. Okay, anyways, I'm back. I'm back.
Given that's how we live it, don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to be an accountant because it's safe.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on this look right here. This is a back to school look that I wanted to create for you guys. So if you want to know how to recreate this look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and go in with my favorite drugstore foundation. This is the Fit Me foundation. I will also link everything down below. But yes, this is a 315 Soft Honey. So I'm gonna go ahead and use that one. And I like to also mix it. I got these little drops, Liquid Glow, from the BoxyCharm. The Temp2 by BoxyCharm Liquid Glow. I think it's the, oh my gosh, I was gonna say it's called Shake Well. Oh my God. No, but it's Shake Well. No, that's not even what it's called. It's just telling me to shake well, right? It doesn't have a name. It just says Liquid Glow. And it's pretty much just little liquid drops. And I like to, when I want like a super like cute glow. Ooh, I'm just getting it down my hand. And if I sound like I'm out of breath, it's because I was running back and forth from my kitchen. So now I like to just get a little bit of the drops and just do like one, maybe a little tiny bit, like that. Like just like one or two, or like 1.5, if that's even possible, right? And then I just like to mix it. I like to mix it with my finger. And then just get the product on my face. But, I mean, honestly, nobody has to do this while you're about to go back to school, or it's early in the morning, like, you know, 6 in the morning, trying to get your face on or get something just done so quickly. Because, honestly, this takes me about, I want to say, less than 15 minutes. So the minimalist makeup you could possibly do, I promise, this is it. I like to take it down my neck, and you don't have to honestly do the full face. And me personally, that's just how I am. But you can also use like a CC cream or BB cream, whatever those are called. I'm not too familiar with them because I've never really used them. But yeah, you can use those maybe. And my curtains are a little crinkled, okay? They're a little, you know, I just put them up. But yeah. And you see how that it gives you like that glow? I love these drops. I love them. Yes. Okay. So you, like I said, less than 10 minutes. You don't have to go like with the full face to school or anything like that, where, you know, you're in college or anything like that, or for work. You can even use this for work. I also have another video down below. I'll link that. Well, I'll link it down below. It's like my everyday makeup, and that's sometimes normally, well, pretty much normally every time I go to the office, I do my makeup like that. And it's super simple. I use like 1 to 2 shadows, and normally I'll do like more concealer, but like I said, since, you know, teenagers, and well, nowadays a lot of these teenagers wear like a full beat, looking cute and stuff, right? But yeah, back in my day, I didn't even know what makeup was. I was just a little tomboy back in like with my cousins and my sister and my brother in the pool. Ni me peinaba el pelo. Well, that hasn't changed, but as far as I was like a little tomboy. And then like I used to live in well, we used to go to Mexico like for a vacation every summer. And then my mom one day, I guess she decided to tell my stepdad. She's like, well, I guess we can just go move. Or my stepdad decided to tell my mom, like, hey, let's just go move to Mexico, right? It's like, se les trajeron la loquera. And they're like, okay, fine. So we went, I guess, for like the whole summer to decide where we're going to go live over there. And I remember this, like, boy had a crush on me. But I was like 5th grade. So I was like in 5th grade. So I never actually, you know, I was never into like boys or anything like that, or like not into any like boys and stuff, you know, like I was just like, oh my god, no, like I'm too young. But his name was, what was his name? I think his name was Ulises. I think his name was Ulises. And the reason why I remember was I'm thinking because I used to watch this novela. What was it called? Oh my god, this novela, I forgot it was called, but he used to be like Ulises el Feo or something like that. And he used to like have like all this acne and like glasses. Like they portrayed him in the novela like super nerdy and super ugly. And then one day they did like a makeover and they just had like he like super cute or whatever. And then I would always be like, oh, el Feo. I can't remember what's it called. I don't remember. But yeah, we used to, I had like, well, he had a crush on me. And then there was another boy that had a crush on me. But me being a tomboy that I was, I never just thought about painting my hair. I mean, brushing my hair, right? O sea, nunca me lo peino, right? But anyways, so yeah, I just never thought about makeup or anything. I went off topic completely. I went ahead and did my concealer, and I put like just a little bit, you know, on like the highlighting areas. And I did use the e.l.f. Camo concealer. The 16-hour concealer, beige, medium beige. I do tend to go a little bit lighter. And then I will go ahead and set my face a little bit. Like I said, I don't really like setting my face too much because I tend to be super dry. So I'm going to go ahead with my little puff and just set my face. Okay, see, I'm already like 5 minutes into the video and I'm almost done, I promise. Gotta just throw on some eyebrows, a little bit of blush, and then call it a day. I mean, unless y'all want to do like a little bit of bronzer and stuff like that, which I will go ahead and do just, you know, for the sake of the video. But I'm gonna go ahead and, since I've already set my face, I'll finish the cheeks and everything, and I'll just go in a little bit with the contour. And I just like to use these two and then just, you know, blend it. I don't use too much when I'm just doing a simple face. At least simple for me, you know. And you don't have to go out the all extreme and just, you know, do any of this. Because of course in the mornings when you know you're all like groggy and everything, you're not thinking about like, oh my god, I want to do my beat. You want to just get to school and just call it a day and get through the day. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take a little bit of blush and get that on my cheeks. Now this brush is like a super old brush, like from Soho, I want to say. I don't know if y'all ever heard of that brand. It's like in the Walgreens or something. And it like picas me, okay? It's like prickly. It hurts my cheeks. But for some reason, I just cannot throw it away. Like, I just love how it applies my blush. Like, I don't know. It just applies. I just love it. But I don't know why. So, yeah. I'm using, for the blush, I was using the Pretty Vulgar Make Them Blush in Hush Blush. So I did use that one. And then as far as highlight, I'm gonna go ahead and just go in with a little brush and just tap it a little bit. And again, you don't have to do all these steps. You just, since I've already got it all down, it takes me, like I said, honestly less than 10 minutes. I think my eyebrows take the longest, so that's why I probably take like 15 minutes. Okay, and then normally I go in with the Anastasia dip brow, and this is in the shade Ash Brown. But that's like when I'm like doing, and I should have included that in my other videos, but I'll also link up here or something like that. I don't know. I normally do that, and I definitely should have done, but I was out of it, so I just went and I just got a new one, like finally, because I'm like, oh my god, which I've already started to use. But yeah, so what I have been doing, and typically with my replacement is, and I use the Total Temptation brow definer in this shade Soft Brown. This is Maybelline. So okay, so then I'm going to go ahead and go in with my You Had Me at Hello Colourpop eyeshadow palette. I'm going to use this one. And I'm going to go ahead and use this shade. And I think this one's called Sparks Fly. So I'm going to go ahead and use that one. I don't even take it all the way up or anything like that. I just like to do it like this. Okay, and I just like to right on the eye like this. There you go. Okay. And since I already put highlight on my brow bones, I'm gonna go ahead and just, I like to set my brows, and I got this from Kathleen Lights. I like that feathery look sometimes when I'm just doing a natural look. Oh my gosh, I love it. I know Kathleen Lights did this little tiny hands challenge. I definitely want to do it, so I think my next video will probably be that. So we'll see how that goes, because I got the tiny hands and I was trying to use them, and I'm just like, oh my gosh, right? I don't know how she did it. And she did eyeliner and everything. Manny MUA did the same thing. I was like, oh my god, I need to try this, right? Okay, anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and pretty much honestly do some mascara, and I'm gonna use the It Cosmetics the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. I just went ahead and applied a little bit of mascara, and then honestly at this point you can do like a little lip gloss or something. So let me go ahead and go get my lip gloss. So I don't know which one I'm gonna use. Maybe this one, probably this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and just apply that lip gloss. So yeah, I went ahead and applied this lip gloss. It has like a little brown tint to it. This is from the Lunabyluna lip gloss in the color Venus. Yeah, so it's a really good lip gloss. I actually like it. It has like a little gold tint to it, or like little gold, like, I don't know, something, a little bit of gold in it. It's like balm. I don't know, it's balm, if you can see it. I don't know, it's really cute. Okay, so that completes the look, guys. I do want to thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.